Ready to crank up the visual fidelity of your Unity games on your Mac using Photon Sol. First, fire up Unity Hub and create a brand new 3D project. This keeps things clean and avoids any conflicts. Once your project is open, head over to the Package Manager through the Window menu. In the Package Manager, switch the package source from Packages in Project to Unity Registry. Now, search for Post-Processing. Make sure you install the latest verified version. This is essential for Photon Sol to work correctly. Next, you'll need to install the standard assets package. This is the easiest way to import the required image effects. You may need to enable Show Preview Packages to find this one. Click Import. Make sure the image effects folder is selected, and then click Import again. Finally, download the Photon Sol package from the link in the description below, and drag and drop into your Assets folder to import the package into your project. You're all set. Now you can start experimenting with the incredible lighting and visual effects Photon Sol offers. Happy developing!